Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create custom keybinds on Discord. So what you guys can do is go over into user settings. In the user settings, you scroll down to system in the experience section. And once you click on system, click on custom keybinds. Here, as you guys can see, we're gonna click plus to add a keybind. Now we can add an action, so we can choose push to talk between normal and priority, push to mute, voice activity priority, toggle mute, deafen, VAD, streamer mode, and camera, toggle voice channel chat, overlay lock, activate overlay chat, screen share, and a lot more. So for example, I want to mute with a push of a button, so I'll just toggle mute. I'll simply record a keybind to insert, and as you guys can see, now my mouse will not be touching the mute. Let's just join a channel, and now I'm gonna press insert. As you guys can see, we're muted, and if we want to unmute, I have to click here, but I'm clicking insert on my keyboard, and now I am unmuted. So that's how you guys can create custom keybinds on Discord. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.